and I can't wait to pop this open. But I want you to see exactly what's in here, what they changed with their handles, and I'm gonna test it out, tell you exactly what I think. They also sent me the new power handles as well. I'm super excited. Let's do this. All right, as you can see, my background is a work in progress, so bear with me there, but let's jump into what is different with the new Crossrope system. They're dubbing it their 2020, so their Get Lean 2020, their Get Strong 2020, and their Get Fit 2020 sets. But as far as the handles, one of the key features that they changed within the handles is, one, their size. The new handles are slightly shorter than the previous handles. And then the other part is, and they're also lighter. And then they also changed the clip connection. So as you can see, this one kind of rotates free. The new one rotates freely around and it never hits the metal. Whereas this one, you got a lot of that clicking noise when you jumped before. And so that they've solved that with the way that this is connected with a smaller ring. And then they also have the clip itself. You can see that is also a little bit smaller. Now let's talk about the most important feature of the new Crossrope handles. They used to offer on the previous sets, they offered a 2-year warranty. Now they've gone to get this a lifetime warranty. That is huge, people. Anytime a company stands behind its products with a lifetime warranty, I highly respect that because that is something they don't have to do. They choose to do because they want to serve their customers to the highest level they can. Kudos to Crossropes for that. This is the most expensive part of the Crossrope system, and since you have a lifetime warranty on this, at most you'll only have to replace ropes every so often. And to give you an idea of how often you might even would have to change ropes, when they first launched the Infinity Rope system, this one that's right up here, that's when they launched this. The ropes are exactly the same. I've only gone through one of these ropes. My second one is on its last leg. As you can see, I have some tape here, and you can see that the rope is cracked, has some cracks in it, and so it's flexing. But if you aren't familiar with Crossrope ropes, they do have a cable down the middle of them still. So this could last me a month, 3 months, 6 months. I'm gonna figure that out because that's why I put some tape and I wanted to see how long this thing will go. Two of these ropes, even over 3 years, and it's only $18 to replace. So you have lifetime handles, and every once in a while, you have to spend $18 on a new rope. That's a good deal. I want to show you all the different versions that Crossrope has created and the innovation that they've put into each one of their systems, and each one continues to get better and better as they go. Check this out. As you can see, Crossrope is constantly trying to push their own limits, creating the best product they possibly can. But at this point, I don't know about you, but I'm dying to go try these out. So let's go hit the gym so I can see how good these things work. So I just got to the gym and I'm gonna give these suckers a test. All right, so I just got done testing the slim handles, and I gotta say, I was holding back because I liked the previous set so much. I was like, how much better could it get? But the fact that they shortened the handles a little bit made the handles grips better. They're so smooth and it's quiet with no clicking noise now. These are awesome. Let's try out the power handle. These are also super smooth. The connection to the rope goes on way smoother than the previous ones too, which I'm super impressed with. And these handles feel really good in my hand. My previous ones, they weren't even the last additions, and these are a little bit smaller in thickness and width, and these fit really nice in my hands. I dig it. That was the 1 pound rope. Now let's give the 2 pound beast a try. I love these ones far better than the previous power handles that I had. Very nice. All right, I just got back from the gym from testing these things out, and I gotta tell you, I was pleasantly surprised. Honestly, from the previous version, I was super happy with those, and I really didn't understand what they were gonna do to make it better. And while it's not necessarily performance enhancing in the fact that I can perform just as highly with the old ones as I can with these ones, but with when I hold these in my hand and how they function without the click from this one, which was kind of annoying. Then also with just the little bit lighter handles, it produces a little bit better feel, especially for beginners. That's gonna be huge. And then just the feel of the grip is super comfortable. And then you add in the lifetime warranty. That is just gigantic in itself. But I would definitely recommend these over the previous version. And I can't wait for all of you to get these in your hands because I'm super impressed. Now let's get down to the brass tacks and talk what everybody wants to know, and that's price. So if you were familiar with Crossrope before, the Get Lean set was priced at $88. Well, obviously, developing these changes and putting money into research and development, they're gonna be marking up these new ones a bit, and that's by only $10, which I believe is totally respectable at $98. But the good news is, it's the holidays. It's the holidays, and it's Cyber Monday, and we got Black Friday, and right now they just launched it, and they got their best special that I believe they'll have probably in the next year, and that is $20 off the Get Lean set. So it'll be $78. So you can do that if you are interested in checking them out, as well as the Get Strong set is $30 off the Get Strong set, and then $50 off the Get Fit set, which is both sets of handles and all 4 rope weights. You can go check those out. They gave me a link down below. I truly believe that you will be very impressed with this jump rope system, and it will last you a long time. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer anything I can. They also have a frequently asked questions page on their website that the link will take you to. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, hit that like button. And if you are looking to learn some new skills or combos, check out my new Killer Combos series, linked right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.